I'm here on a crisp morning. The skies are clear and clouds act as a blanket keeping the hot air in. So the hot air has escaped and so it's a cold morning. And I'd like to talk about the consequences of cold weather, particularly for plants. So how cold is it? I'm here with my trusted thermometer and let's have a look at that little patch there. That's minus 5 degrees. Let's have a look at this bit of snow just there. That's minus 6.2 degrees. Now cold air moves around a lot less and so more particles can be fitted in the same space. So it's denser, and as it's denser, it sinks. So if you have hollows, like this hollow here, the cold air will descend into these. So what's the temperature here? Minus 9 degrees, minus 11 degrees. So it's strikingly colder in these depressed areas, and these are called frost hollows. And frost and cold conditions are really important in determining the distribution of many plants. So there's strategies that they have to overcome this. Some of them just aren't visible in the winter, so they're seeds or they're roots underground or rhizomes, and they've disappeared. Some of them have insulations. I think of trees that have thick bark. Some of them adjust their chemical composition of their cells, so they have extra sugars and extra compounds, basically acting as a sort of antifreeze. Some of them, particularly in very northern areas, remove their water to places where it's less damaging if they freeze. Some of them can actually superfreeze, but in a way that doesn't produce ice crystals and so doesn't damage the cells. And that's a particular problem if there's a sudden frost. So often there's a period of adaptation. It takes some time for them to be able to tolerate these cold conditions. So cold weather and freezing of plants can really affect the distribution, and many species cannot occur where there's cold conditions. Think of the need for gardeners to bring plants indoors, keep them in greenhouses, keep them warm during the winter. So it really affects the distribution of many species of plants. And the way you can imagine it working is, imagine a frost-intolerant species. Up towards the north, it's just going to be colder and it won't survive. Over towards the south, it's probably fine. There's little frost. But then in the middle, where it will occur will depend on the fine details of the microtopography. So where there are hollows, where there are north-facing slopes, where there are areas with katabatic winds, where the air cools and runs down the mountain, cooling the air below, then those are the areas that these species cannot occur in.